Okay, so show us.
Ready. 8 rounds over 5.
Oh, no, I will still keep my Springfield
Jesus Christ, it's like talking to an old lady. Fine, you know what? Keep your cane. I will take
I will
the M1,
keep my cane.
because it beats the hell out of the Springfield.
No. The O3s are still more accurate. I'm telling you.
No,
Exactly.
there's lower.
Target in sight.
Yeah, watch him miss.
Do it. Come on, Gibson. Come on, Gibson.
Hey,
what are you doing? You shot some poor farmer's cow. It was gonna be steak anyway. Not if it's a dairy cow, you idiot. Good shot, Gibson. What kind of morons have you become?
You see that right there?